R5 daw po ng Anastasia. Okay.
Ulit din lang po sa mga gusto ko magawa ng cellphone, computer. Ito lang po ang application ko Jackie sa may harga. Stock page niya po ay Galaxy Stock and nabibili computer na mga high level iPhone X 11 pa na.
Serving wearing jersey number 21. Yellow. Yellow. Big. And not over. Garcia. Good serve, libero. Setter, tinaas kay MJ. And puntos para dos. Good serve. Setter, tinaas kay Kuya. It's not over. Sige, Kuya na lang. Serving Rangers number 14, Guse, SA. Vargados. Kuya Alan, drop low by Mendoza. Tinaas kay Sweet Girl. Question number 1, Mendoza. Good serve, Madam. Garcia, tinaas kay Kuya. Nice placement shot. Kuya, Madam, tinaas kay Yalo. Kuya Alan, nice steal. Players, dito daw po kayo sa first bench. Score, 3-2. Serving, wearing jersey number 9, Panapanan. Ang idol ng bayan. Good serve, Lalo. Good save, Garcia. Atiko, it's a double contact violation. Number 30, Mendoza. Panapanan. Garcia, tinaas kay Kuya. Drop ball, it's not good. Score. Good serve, Guse. Garcia to kay Kuya. It's an outside. 5-3. 2-point lead by Team Anastasia. Another good serve. Panapanan to Madam. Vargados. Dumanhog to Balmes. Good transfer will be given. Dumanhog to Balmes again. Ito si Garcia. Score 6-3. Still serving. Mendoza. Good serve. It's a service ace. 7-3. Panapanan. Si Kuya. Good serve. Vargados. Dumanhog. Nice. Drop ball. Number 25. With the setter. Dumanhog. Kuya. Garcia. Tinas kay Madam. Mendoza. Dumanhog to... Oh, it's... 4. Still serving, Dumanhog. Guse. Panapanan to Madam. Ayan, miscommunication error.
Official scores 10-5.
Serving. Orsais. Balmes to Yano. Nice play by Wearing jersey number 5, Balmes. Oh, it's service ace by still serving Balmes. Kuya. Setter din SK Mendoza. Dumanod to Bargados. Nice steal by Panapanan. Garcia to Madam. Oh, nice steal by Madam. Jersey number 29. Madam. Yalo. Dumanod to Mendoza. Nice steal by serving Mr. Yalo. Good serve, Kuya Garcia to SK. It's not over. Still serving Mr. Yalo. Madam Garcia to Panapanan. Nandun si Mendoza. Dumanod po Bargados. Puntos para sa Team Anastasia. Score 16-6. 10-point lead by Team Anastasia. Yan ang serving. It's an outside. Good serve. Bargados. Mendoza. Madam, tinas kay Panapanan. Oy, it's a touch net violation. Garcia. Safe serve. Dumanod to Mendoza. Nice heel. Nice down the line by Bargados on the serving. Good serve. Panapanan. Madam to Panapanan. Nandun ng libero. Dumanhog to Bacro. It's not over. Serving SK. Yalo. Dumanhog to Mendoza. Drop is not good. Score. Still serving SK. Lucy. It's an outside. Wait lang. May siyang awayin. Serving Mendoza. It's a service ace by Mendoza. Still serving SK. Madam. 10-point lead by Team Anastasia. Still serving. It's an outside. Serving Panapanaan. Good serve. It's a service ace by another good serve. Setter to SK Kilay. Nice lead by SK. Oh, it's not over.
Official scores 13-20.
Serving S. Panapanaan. Libero tinaas kay MJ. Nice pick again. But it's serving Mendoza. SK. Panapanaan to Madam. Nandun si Madam. Madam tinaas kay Kuya. Not over. Mendoza. SK. Panapanaan to Kuya. Nice shoot. Bargados. SK. Panapanaan to Madam. Nandun si Mendoza. Dumanhog to... Oh, it's a check ball. Check out. Still serving Mendoza. SK. Kay Kuya. Chance ball will be given. Utang talaga ni Martin. Serving. Rangers number 11. Libero. Setter. Tinaas kay Yalo. It's an inside. Dumanhog. Panapanaan. Kay Kuya. Tumadam. Nandun si Yalo. Setter. Tinaas kay Ate Bore. And of the first game, congratulations team. Anastasia, official score 25. Panapanan. Hey, it's an outside. Number 17. Tiope. Amar Carval. Puntano. Still serving. Puntano. Madam, hey, it's another service ace. Kampinyo. Madam. Yan! Bartabo lang na ito. Laban! Still serving wearing jersey number 17. Puntano. It's an outside. Gusen. Same serve, Libera! It's a service. Serving. Good serve. Oh, nice kill. Malinis Panay. Serving wearing jersey number 10. Oh. Oh. Saan na po? 6-2. Panapanan, Madam, to kay Kuya. Tiope, Puntano, to not over. Or size. Good serve, Tiope, Puntano to Jordan, and or size. 4-6. Tiope, Puntano, oy. It's a crossing by still serving our size. Good serve. Puntano. To Puntano. To Banayo. Nice kill. Serving. De Garasha. Magrasha. Diyan. It's a double contact violation. Serving. Magrasha. Good serve. SK. Panapanan. Chance ball will be given to Anastasia. Oh, it's another touchdown violation to Madam. Magrasha. Puntano to Banayo. Nice kill by Mr. Goodbye 13. Goodbye please. Shuffle pala ito. Taga-pula. SK Garcia to Madam. Nandun si Tiope to Banayo at Puntano to Puntano. Nice. Serving. Still serving Magrasha. SK Garcia to Madam. Magrasha. Puntano to galit na galit. Si 12-5. Magsaya. Taga-pula. Balik kayo. Oy, anong nangyari na? Double contact. Aray. Oh, go. Kaya nyo kataw yan. Sabi nyo yung team. Magrasha. Panapanan. Madam. Still serving him. Where there's number 15. Magrasha. Panapanaan. Madam. Tinaas kay Garcia. Puntano. Puntano to Marco. Nice, Madam. Puntano to Banayo. Garcia to Madam. Puntano to Puntano. Nice. Place na siya kay Mr. Puntano. Score 15-5. Hahabol pa yan? Hahabol pa daw! Yeah! Another subs. Mendoza. 2. Napoles. 14 to 19. Pelomeno. Madam. Puntano to Puntano. Good serve, Kuya. Madam, tinas kay Kuya. Good ball. Good serving. Ano sabi ng bola? Kaya pa. Shots ball. Libero. Puntano, tinas kay Banayo. That's a no good. Good serve. Libero. Puntano, tinas kay Puntano. Nandun si SK. Madam, tupanapanan. It's serving and wearing jersey number 12. Banayo. Good serve, Madam. Kuya, tupanapanan. Puntano. Puntano to Mendoza. Guys, Ivan sa Mendoza. 26. Still serving Banayo. Good serve, SK. Madam, tupanapanan. It's an inside. Kalikot naman ni MJ Mendoza. Galak na galak
27.
Nice screen. Ito si Madam. Madam. Puntano. Nandun si Panapanan. Madam, Panapanan. Puntano. Drop ball, but it's no good. Yan. A team. Good serve, Libero. Puntano. Tinaas kay Puntano. It's an outside. Jersey number 11. Ako. 21-9. Serving, wearing jersey number 19, Mendoza. Good serve, SK. Madam, tinaas kay Panapanan. It's an outside, 22-9. Kuya, Madam, tinaas kay Panapanan. Nandun na, sino yun? Jordan. Peace. Kay Kuya, to Madam. Puntano. It's a double contact violation. Serving, Garcia. Warning.
Official score.
Ang team Anastasia Blazers. Serving, Mr. Puntano. Good serve, Garcia. Dusin. Drop ball. Score 24-10. Kaya ba ba?
Set point for Team Anastasia.
Puntano to serving. It's a service ace. Congratulations, team Anastasia Blazers. Official score 25